Hey everyone, this is going to be a quick unboxing from RussianSurplus.net. I asked them to send me this grip for review, and they obliged. So for those of you who don't know, RussianSurplus.net is a good website for if you're looking for surplus Russian stuff. This sling on my AK, I actually bought from them a couple years ago, and this grip they mailed in for free for review. So, now on to the unboxing. To do this unboxing, I'm using my CRKT M2114 SFG. This is something else I'm going to be reviewing very soon. So now to unbox it. Okay, that's everything out of the package. And here we go, here's the grip. So we have a bag within a bag. Okay, this is interesting. So this here is the grip. This is an Izhmash grip. This is made in Russia. And interestingly, it's a two-piece design. So this here is the bottom, has the grip screw attached. This goes in like that, and then you screw it in. And the nice thing about this is it's a flathead screw. So real quick, I'm going to get this installed on my rifle and I'll tell you my first impressions. So the grip is on the gun now and I'm going to do a quick safety check just for everyone's peace of mind. There's no magazine in the gun, nothing in the chamber, the weapon's clear. Okay, so there we go. The grip is now installed and I definitely like it. It's a marked improvement so far. It definitely feels different. It's very narrow in this area, so it doesn't feel like you're holding something too big, but it flares out at the end and just so far feels really good. And it's a big grip. I mean, I got extra large hands, and as you can see, there's grip hanging out past my hand. So this, I think, will definitely be good with winter gloves. I am more than likely going to stipple this just because this is smooth, but actually with that shape, the hand may not slide around too much. I'm not sure if I'm going to stipple it yet, but you'll see definitely on the review. Where the head of the screw goes in, it goes in really deep. So the screwdriver to the AK cleaning kit won't be able to reach in there too easily without modifying your screwdriver. The fit is good. They have a good undercut right there, which, I mean, I would like to hope so. It's Russian. One cool thing about this grip is it may be hard to see, but it has a proof mark right there. So that's definitely cool. And it matches really well with this KVAR stock. It's not that this here is glossy and this is flat black. They match really well together. So that's pretty much it for this grip for right now. I'm definitely going to have to get some use on this grip before I can do a review, but so far first impressions are I really like this grip. For anyone interested, there's going to be a link to this grip in the description, and for anyone who's interested, there's also going to be a link to RussianSurplus.net in the description. Of course, you can wait for the review of this grip. You know, I'm going to have to test this out before I do the review, but if you just want to check out the grip or anything else that RussianSurplus.net sells, you can do that as well. So that's pretty much it. I hope this was helpful and informative. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I'll see you next video. See ya.